This is where the fried chicken journey begins. Vast fields and poultry houses raising thousands of broiler chickens. Every chicken raised here plays a part in the billion-dollar fried chicken supply chain.
Climate-controlled environments keep the chickens comfortable year-round.
A protein-rich feed helps create the tender meat used later in fast food fried chicken. Farm workers carefully manage the chicken's daily health, ensuring they grow to the perfect size for fried chicken production.
Every chicken raised here plays a part in the billion-dollar fried chicken supply chain. Strict quality checks make sure each chicken meets factory standards before transport.
Once mature, chickens are prepared for transport to the processing facility.
Specialized trucks carefully transport live chickens to the fried chicken processing plant. This is one of the world's largest fried chicken production facilities. Millions of fried chicken meals begin their journey right here.
Teams ensure each chicken is handled safely and efficiently.
Automated conveyors bring the chickens into the first phase of processing. Industrial sprayers remove every trace of dirt before the chickens enter processing.
The factory begins by sanitizing every container used in transport. Everything is sterilized before the next batch arrives.
Crates pass through powerful UV light to eliminate microorganisms. Precision robotics handle the butchering process with incredible speed.
Human expertise ensures every cut meets strict fried chicken standards.
Quality checks ensure perfect texture.
Each part is sorted for specific fried chicken menu items.
Fresh chicken pieces are evaluated before seasoning.
High-pressure injectors ensure deep marination. The journey toward fast food meals continues.
Consistency is key for global fast food chains.
Raw chicken is soaked in secret brines that guarantee juicy fried chicken.
Perfectly seasoned and ready for breading. Each piece is coated with a precise blend of flour and spices.
Flour sticks perfectly to the marinated chicken surface.
The signature fried chicken crunch begins here. Industrial fryers cook thousands of pieces at once. The chicken is now ready for the sizzling oil.
Flieler's fully volatile is papino. The signature golden crust forms under intense heat.
Freshly fried chicken cools before packaging.
Only flawlessly cooked fried chicken moves forward.
Quality control checks the famous crispy look.
Cooling locks in juiciness and stabilizes the crust.
Only top-grade fried chicken continues.
The meal is almost ready for fast food restaurants.
All packaging is cleaned before contact with food. Temperature accuracy guarantees food safety.
High-speed robots pack chicken with millimeter accuracy.
The fried chicken is now ready for shipment.
Each box receives a unique factory timestamp.
A perfect seal keeps each box intact. Final protection ensures safe travel. Stacks of fried chicken boxes are prepared for distribution.
Each shipment is logged and tracked.
From factory to fast food restaurants nationwide. Behind every meal lies an incredible story of precision and passion. Millions of meals on the move.
In restaurants, the journey reaches its delicious end.
Fresh fried chicken arrives ready to serve.
Crunchy, juice, perfectly cooked.
From farm to fryer, this is the billion-dollar world of fried chicken.